Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pierre, getting here on another service call. Came out here. They said the system wasn't working, and what I discovered is I found a bad cap. It's a 10 microfarad, 10 microfarad capacitor here. As you can see, my camera focusing. See 10 microfarad. I'm just reading about 8 microfarads. So went, got another one, the new one I installed, and the sticker still won't start up. That's all it's doing. It wants to spin, but it's not. So we have a bad motor here, bad blower motor here. So gonna have to replace it. Friday at 4:30 in the afternoon. So I don't think it's gonna get done today though. So. Yeah, it's a Hvac heat pump. And you see here we got a inversion valve, one compressor, got the accumulator there in the back. Yeah, I think this is I believe this is a Hvac heat pump. See? Yeah. Hvac, an old boy here. So I'm write up a quote, recommending replacing the motor. The compressor sounds pretty good though. Just that motor is out though. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for this one. We'll see what they want to do. If they want to replace the motor, should just put a new system in. This thing is pretty old. So, all right then, man. Catch you guys on the next one. It's a little short video. Nothing long, nothing fancy. It's a bad blower motor. Hopefully be part 2 coming, me putting this in, and I'll make another video. All right. God bless you guys.